Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to discuss full adder. Full adder is used for the addition of three digits A, B, C. These three digits we are going to add by using three binary numbers which are given in the truth table. Before you see the construction of the full adder. In the case of full adder, one XOR gate is used for the summation. Three AND gates are used and one OR gate is used to give the carry output. In the case of XOR gate, A input is given by crossing B and C. B input is given by crossing C. That means it is not connected with the C. And C input is directly connected to XOR gate. अंडरस्टँड मित्रांनो, तुम्हाला जर हाफ ॲडर सगळ्यांच्या लक्षात आलेला असेल तर फुल ॲडर लक्षात येणं काहीही अवघड नाही. तुम्ही हळूवारपणे कन्स्ट्रक्शन बघा. काय केलं आता तुम्हाला मी सांगितलं की ए बी ला वायरला न चिकटता, सी च्या वायरला न चिकटता XOR गेटला कनेक्ट केलेला आहे. बी ची वायर सी ला न कनेक्ट होता XOR गेटला कनेक्ट केलेला आहे. म्हणजे त्याच्या सी च्या वरून घेतलेले आहे, त्यासाठी ते डायग्राम मध्ये दाखवलेले आहे. आणि सी ची वायर डायरेक्टली XOR गेटला कनेक्ट केलेली आहे. येते का लक्षात? पुढे, in the case of first AND gate, A is connected by overlapping B and C to the first AND gate. B is connected by overlapping C to the first AND gate. That means A and B inputs are given to first AND gate. पुढे सेकंड AND गेटच्या बाबतीत काय होते बघा. In the case of second AND gate, B input is first overlap and connected to second AND gate. C input is directly connected to second AND gate. ओके, म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा आपण ए बी जोडला पहिल्या अँड गेटला, बीसी इनपुट जोडलं दुसऱ्या अँड गेटला, आणि आता तुम्ही विचार करा तिसऱ्या अँड गेटला काय जोडला असेल आणि कसं जोडला असेल. In the next case, C input is directly connected to the third AND gate. A input is first overlapped B and C input and then connected to the third AND gate. Okay? First AND gate AB, second AND gate BC, third AND gate CA. That means it is connected serially one by one by dropping one. That's why first AND gate, in the case of first AND gate, A and B are connected and C is dropped. In the case of second AND gate, serially B and C are connected, but first A is dropped. Understand? And in the case of third AND gate, serially, that means C is connected. Next to C is what? Input is remaining A. That's why it is CA is connected to third AND gate. बघा, AB next to B, C dropped. BC next to C, A dropped. CA next to A, B dropped. Understand? In this way, the three inputs are connected to upper XOR gate and serially, not a three gates. For each gate, two inputs are connected to three AND gates. AB, BC, CA. Okay? Next. The output of first AND gate. The output of second AND gate. The output of third AND gate are connected to the OR gate. What is the difference between again here OR gate and AND gate? Those students who are writing in the place of and or are drawing or in the place of or and are drawing, they can score 0 marks. This sentence I am repeating during each lecture. This is because while assessing the answer, your answer sheet, there is a problem. Students are in the pressure, students are in the tension. Because time is low, we have to cover those peoples or those peoples in students. Are doing sincerely study. They are not able to cover the full paper in given time. Some students are drawing the diagrams by using scale, pencil, etc. Oh, okay, you can draw, no problem. But keep in your mind, there is shortage of time. We have to cover paper before at least 10 minutes. That's why there is a warning bell. Understand? You can use, but keep in mind, time is short. Okay. Second problem, some students are writing in the place of XOR. They are using NAND gate. And some students are writing in the place of XOR. XNOR gate are drawing in the diagram. They get 0 marks. Whenever we peoples means teachers assessing the paper, we will see in the same place of the AND gate is there. In the place of OR gate where the carry where output is getting, OR gate is there. And in the place of XOR gate is there. That is in the case of sum. And how the ABC are connected. Some students, they do not have a knowledge in that particular point. Then they are trying whatever may be, but the teachers would not give you or that point marks. You have to keep in mind, in the case of XOR gate, all the three inputs are connected and that overlapped wire, that means over to the B, over to the C, and after that is connected to XOR gate. In the case of B, we said over the C, the B is connected and C is directly connected. Same case in the case of 3 AND gates. Friends, I remember whenever I assessing the paper, AB is there, the first AND gate, BC is there, to the second AND gate, and CA is there in the third AND gate. Then you can give whatever the model answer is given, that you should give at least 3 marks for a full adder diagram. Then I will give full marks, 3 marks. But even a single mistake in the place of AB, if you are connected BC, in the place of BC, if you are connected CA, then all the working of the full adder is changes. Understand? That's why I will give 0 marks for that diagram of full adder. The working is how it takes place. We are going to see in the truth table. But before that, construction is the heart of the full adder. Just like whenever we are constructing a building, brick is the heart, cement is the heart, okay, sand is the heart. If these are properly connected, then only the building will be strong. In the same way, in the construction of the full adder, we have to draw the proper gate at the proper place. Then only you can score out of marks. This digital electronic chapter is very easy. Those who are sincerely studying. This digital electronics chapter is very difficult. Those who are disturbed, they are doing study, but their mind is in the elsewhere. They are thinking something, and in front of them there is a book. At the same time, whenever I am delivering lecture on this new technology we have adopted due to the pandemic COVID-19, you should attain by 100%. Then you can, in this chapter, you can score near about 12 to 15 marks. The weightage is for this chapter is 12 to 15 marks. It is very easy, no problem. Just go draw, in this case of full adder, XOR gate, 3 AND gates, 1 OR gate. But in the case of OR gate, if there is an AND gate or AND gate, 0 marks, because working of the circuit is changes. Then how can you can see the truth table? See truth table. See carefully. And then we are going to see the in the diagram working the truth table. See here, if A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, sum equal to 0. That is the output of upper XOR gate is 0. Then first AND gate, 0 multiplied by 0, because A equal to 0, B equal to 0. Output of the first AND gate 0. B equal to 0, C equal to 0. The output of second AND gate is 0 multiplied by 0. Output of the second AND gate is 0. In the case of third AND gate, A equal to 0, C equal to 0. The output of third AND gate is 0. Understand? Why 0? Because, friends, these AND gates are used for logic multiplication. Then we are going to see the working of the 3 AND gates. Output is connected to which gate? To OR gate. The OR gate working is what? The OR gate is used for logic addition. Therefore, the output of the OR gate should be logic addition. Then all the outputs of the 3 AND gates are 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 0, plus 0, output 0. That is in the first case, sum equal to 0, carry equal to 0. Carry means in Marathi, Acha. Ata, in the case of second, A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 1. See here now. A equal to 0, B equal to 0, and C equal to 1. What happens in this case then? One day in the working. See carefully. A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 1. Working of XOR gate. 0 plus 0 plus 1. The output of XOR gate is 1. That is sum equal to 1. Okay. Then A equal to 0, B equal to 0, Output of first AND gate 0. B equal to 0. C equal to 1. 0 multiplied by 1. 0. The output of second AND gate also is equal to 0. C equal to 0. C equal to 1. A equal to 0. Again 0 multiplied by 1. Output of third AND gate is also 0. Therefore, the output of 3 AND gates are 0, 0, 0. Therefore, output of OR gate which gives carry is 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Understand? Next case is B equal to 1 now. What happens when B equal to 1? मित्रांनो काय असेल विचार करा. B इक्वल टू 1 आहे, A इक्वल टू 0 आहे, C इक्वल टू 0 आहे. What is the output of XOR gate? 0 plus 1 plus 0. The output of XOR gate is 1. That is sum equal to 1. Second, the output of first AND gate A equal to 0, B equal to 1. 0 multiplied by 1, output is equal to 0. In the case of second AND gate, B equal to 1, C equal to 0. 0 multiplied by 1, output of second AND gate is 0. In the case of third AND gate, C equal to 0, A equal to 0. The output of third AND gate is 0. That is 0 plus 0 plus 0. The output of OR gate is 0. That is carry equal to 0. This is in the truth table. आता next, what happens when A equal to 0, B equal to 1 and C equal to 1? See here. A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to sum equal to 0. Next, A equal to 0, B equal to 1. Output of first AND gate 0. B equal to 1, C equal to 1. Output of second AND gate is 1. Here it is changes. C equal to 1, A equal to 1. Output of third AND gate is 0. Now, 3 inputs of the OR gate are 0 plus 1 plus 0. Therefore, carry is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 0. The output of the OR gate is 1. Therefore, carry equal to 1. Understand? Next. Again, if A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0, what happens? A equal to 0, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. बघा, what is the output of XOR gate? 1 plus 0 plus 0, output should be 1. That is sum equal to 1. Output of the first AND gate, that is 1 multiplied by 0, output is 0. Output of second AND gate, B equal to 0, C equal to 0. Therefore, output of second AND gate is also 0. C equal to 0, A equal to 1, 0 multiplied by 1. The output of the third AND gate is also 0. then output of all the three AND gates is 0. Therefore, output of OR gate is also 0. That is carry equal to 1. Understand? Next case. If A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 1. A equal to 1, B equal to 0, C equal to 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, sum equal to 0. That is the working of XOR gate. Next, A equal to 1, B equal to 0. Output of first AND gate is 0. B equal to 0, C equal to 1. Output of the second AND gate is 0. C equal to 1, A equal to 1. Output of the third AND gate is 1. Because 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. Therefore, 0 plus 0 plus 1, the output of OR gate is 1. That is carry equal to 1 and sum equal to 0. Now let us see next. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 0. Again here. 1 plus 1 plus 0, the output of XOR gate is 0, that is sum equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to 1, output of the first AND gate is 1. Because 1 multiplied by 1, output of first AND gate is 1. B equal to 1, C equal to 0, 0 multiplied by 1, output of second AND gate 0. C equal to 0, A equal to 1, 0 multiplied by 1, the output of third AND gate is 0. Therefore, inputs are to the OR gate are 1, 0, 0. That is 1 plus 0 plus 0. That's why carry is equal to 1 and sum is equal to 0. Next. Oh, in the last case, when all three digits are high, that is 1, 1, 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1. See here. When A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1, according to the truth table of XOR gate, the output of the XOR gate is 1, that is sum equal to 1. Now you think, what is the output of the OR gate? Here, A equal to 1, B equal to 1, C equal to 1. All the three inputs are 1. Then you should remember the output of all three AND gates should be high. How it is? See here. If A equal to 1, B equal to 1, the output of the first AND gate is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 equal to 1. If B equal to 1, C equal to 1, the output of second AND gate 1 multiplied by 1 output is 1. C equal to 1, A equal to 1. The output of the third AND gate is also 1. 1, 1, 1. All the three inputs of the OR gate. Therefore, output of the OR gate is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 1. Therefore, only in this case, the output of the XOR gate is sum equal to 1 and carry equal to 1. This XOR gate is used for logic addition and to give a carry for the three digits. And now in the next period, we are going to see how we are going to add 4 digits A, B, C, D. That is 4-digit binary adder we are going to see in the next period. Before that, you should clear half adder and full adder. Unless and until you can't understand the half adder and full adder, you can't understand the 4-digit binary adder. Okay. Keep in mind, you should study regularly and by giving a time, and you should practice these particular points, then and then only you can score more marks, out about marks in the exam. Thank you very much. Namaste.